this is Shraddha here from All About Lifestyle. Welcome to my channel. If you're people new here, then let me tell you that this channel talks and shows about DIY, home decor and interior styling. Now thank you so much for showing so much love and support to the recent community post about my living room tour, where I asked that if you people wanted a living room tour, then do let me know, and many of you have said yes, we want to see your living room tour. Thank you so much for that. So today I'm going to take you through a living room tour. Let's come and enjoy the tour with me. But before moving on, let me tell you that I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you people wish to follow me there and want to see my interior styling tips and photographs, you can follow me there. The links are in the description box. Now let's start the video. Guys, a formal living room sits to the left as you first walk through the front door. As the room you see upon first entering, you will see a shoe shelf which I bought from local furniture market. Let me tell you that all the furniture in my home is from local market of Delhi and totally under budget. As for now, I am living in a rental space, so everything that is furniture and decor items are from local market, hart or bazaar you can say, and are totally in budget. So this is how my living room looks as soon you enter. Before setting up my home, I knew what I really wanted. So whatever you will see here is pre-planned, and I do have a living room makeover and will drop the links in the description box. You can check them once. The chandelier and everything is from local market only. I have selected a theme for my room that is blue, green, yellow, mixture of all bright colors. For the longest time, I've been wanting a big couch, so I bought this sofa set from a local furniture market. I mean to say, I just got them customized for rupees 35,000, and it is as per my wish. These frames are handmade. I mean to say, I painted tropical leaves on jute mat and got them framed in colors matching with my table and chandelier. Now this wall mirror is from Banjara market, hung opposite to the wall of shoe shelf, and it clearly reflects the painting and lantern, and it adds interest and contrast in the room. The small knick-knack things you can see here are from Banjara market, like this small stool and beaker kind of thing. Indoor plants can be used as accent pieces to soften areas, making space more appealing and alive. You will see number and variety of plants in my living room. Since I'm living in the most polluted city, they improve the quality of air through a natural filtering process. This spot is my favorite corner in the living room, and many of you must have seen so many pictures of this corner in my Insta feed. So the things over here are like gifted and some are DIY. I really like to call this space as a Zen Corner because here I like to meditate, or whenever I feel stressful, I like to relax with a hot cup of tea and coffee here. I would suggest that everyone should create a space in their homes for daily meditation, a space that provides you with the opportunity to recharge and keep your body balanced. So here I decorated with simple things and my favorite plants like Syngonium, Monstera and Pothos and Fern. Okay, let me tell you that this mat is the oldest mat in my home, and I bought it from Big Bazaar around 2 or 3 years back. Now this is the balcony attached with my living room, where I have small plants and my utility area attached with this. Then moving to the right, you'll see a small mandir and a dining space which I have decorated in a small reading nook with pida and ottoman. So this is my puja area looks like, with a small mandir, plants and some decorative masks. These masks create a memory wall for us because we collected them from different places my husband and I visited together. just beside Mandir area lies my kitchen, which I'm not going to reveal it now because I want some changes there. I hope you all will understand and wait for that. After that, there's a master bedroom, and then there's a small dining space which I converted into a small sitting space. I do have a video for you all in the description box. Okay, now these things you can see are handmade things, then that kitchen nameplate and this wall painting. This was my first canvas painting. I made it around 2 or 3 years back. Yes. Before setting up my living room, I came up with the concept of doing a gallery wall that is with mixed metals. So I created this wall and made these paintings and then got them framed. And that hanging light, you can see that thing, and chandelier, I bought them together from a local market of Delhi. These pida are from my native, and that ottoman I made it myself. I have a video for that, you can check it in the description box. So this is how I created my small sitting space or reading nook, you can say. Soon I'm going to change this space, so because of that only I thought of giving a living room tour. So here my living room tour is for you all. These small things like handcrafted horse is from Delhi Hat, and this planter is a DIY thing. I get so many questions about the sources of the product in my home, so let me give you all the details. I linked many of the items you see in the video. However, if a product is not available online or is no longer available, I found a similar product to link instead the original one, so you can check them in the description box. Many people have asked about my center table. Let me clear your queries. I bought it with my sofa set, like I got customized for rupees 13,000. It is so unique because of the design and color. You can see this is having some storage space also. You can see the drawers. They are 6 in number, 3 this side and 3 on the other side. So I have just stored some random things. Since the walls are off-white in color, they act as perfect canvas for any type of decor, and you can clearly see that I have decorated my living room with different colors, but they go well with each other just because of these white walls. I hope you enjoyed taking the living room tour. Keeping things simple with the creamy white tone on tone palette and mixing in watery blue and green plants added an instant feeling of relaxation into my space. I hope you have liked it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving time to All About Lifestyle. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.